Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how I did this haircut. I added thick curtain bangs with medium to long layers. This is a haircut that gives me so much volume, and in this video I'm going to be showing a couple of styles that this haircut does really well with. So first I'm starting off with my unlayered hair. It's gotten pretty long and I'm sectioning right down the middle. First, I like to start off with the length. I am going to cut my hair length right at the chest area. At first I was really scared and nervous, but then I had the courage to do it. So I cut a couple of inches off and it immediately made my hair so healthy and thick at the ends. Alright, so my hair still needs a lot of shaping, and next I'm going to create the curtain bangs. So I'm creating more of a triangle section, and then I'm going to twist the bangs area and then cut at a very blunt angle. This is one of my favorite old hacks. I love twisting and cutting my bangs because it does more than just actually cut the hair. It creates a really nice angled effect. And if your hair is thick like mine, you're gonna need to texturize the ends. And I like to do this two ways. First, by point cutting, and if I feel like I need more texturizing, I use my teeth shears or teeth comb shears, and I just snip right at the very end, and as you can tell, it lays really nice and seamless. So now I'm going to connect the rest of my front layers with my curtain bangs by slicing all the way down. And then once I'm done, I'm also going to be point cutting my front layers. You could also use the teeth comb shears to do this, but it's just faster and easier for me to use the regular shears. Alright, now it's time for the crown layers. I like to point cut the crown layers. That way everything is nicely blended, and then I'm slicing right underneath my bangs to give it more texture and flow. As you can tell, the ends still look really blunt, so I'm going to be using the teeth comb shears to blend the ends a bit more. If you have thick hair like mine, teeth comb shears are going to be your best friend when cutting your hair. I love how easily it gives me that texture and that blended look, and it automatically gives me the volume I need. So here are my medium to long layers. Alright, now I'm going to be styling my hair, and I'm using a medium size rod. The curls are pretty big. I wouldn't say they're super tight. I want my curls to be nice and loose for more of a loose blowout look. And already the styling process is so easy for me because I don't have to do too much work in terms of gaining as much volume as I can. So I'm curling everything away from my face, especially the curtain bangs, and everything is just settling beautifully. I always feel like I have to do more work when my hair is not layered, and the curls never last. They always get weighed down because I have no layers. But now, because I have texturized layers, everything is going to be nice and bouncy. I'm going to be showing you a few hairstyle looks that I love wearing with this particular haircut. And one is just a regular ponytail, and the next hairstyle is with the jaw clip. This is so popular and trending right now. Before, with my unlayered hair, the jaw clip wouldn't last. It would always fall and it would just look funky. But now, because my hair is layered and texturized and a bit on the thinner side, the jaw clip is able to hold all my hair up. And finally, I'm going to be showing you a low ponytail look. I love this particular one with my curtain bangs, and immediately when I put my hair in a ponytail, my crown area has volume. Before, it would just lay really flat, and I didn't like that. So I don't have to tease, I don't have to put any kind of product. I have that nice volume going on at the crown. One of my favorite hair hacks is perking up my ponytail with one bobby pin. I like to place that bobby pin right inside the pony, or where the scrunchie is, and it immediately perks it up. So right now, as you can tell, it's a very sad looking pony, but I'm going to be perking it up with just one bobby pin, and I place that right inside the ponytail. I do like to slide that in at a downward angle, that way I get that high perky effect. No need for teasing, no need for hair products. Everything just holds really nice and well. This concludes my tutorial. I hope you guys like my new haircut. I'm enjoying it so far, and if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!